Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how to paint this super fun tropical hammock cutout. I love this. It looks so relaxing. This is where I wish I was right now, in between some palm trees. And I'm going to show you how to paint it. So this is a paint by line. All these lines are etched into the cutout for me, and I'm going in with the color Limeade to base coat my greenery. I'm going in now with the color Putty to paint my sand on the bottom. And pretty much anytime I use a paint by line, my steps are to base coat, outline, highlight. So this is the base coating part, and I'm just going to go in and make sure that everything has some paint on it. After I go in with the putty color, I'm going in now with pine cone, and I'm using that for this the trunk of my palm trees and also my coconuts. This color here is buttercream. It took me a minute to remember that, but it is buttercream, and you see that it has a little bit of kind of shading in it. That's just me not cleaning my paintbrush out all the way, but I actually kind of like the way that looks, so I'm just going to blend it in. This is Peony, and then I'm going to go in with Flamingo for the straps on these cute little slides. And then I'm going to go in with the color of the Gulf for my little beach hat there. And then this is something I absolutely never do, but I get a lot of requests for it. So I'm going to actually outline in color today. I'm not going to outline with black. So pretty much what I'm going to do is like the darker or lighter version of whatever I'm painting. That's what I'm going to outline with. So for my Limeade leaves, I'm outlining with the color Evergreen and a small brush. You could use the number 4, or there's even some smaller like 0/3 brushes in that brush pack we saw on the website. And I believe that's actually what I used for this. So just take your time with this, but again, it does not have to be perfect. My lines definitely go larger than the actual line that is etched in there. That line is just a guideline. You do not have to follow it perfectly. And then I'm going in and outlining with the color Putty for my coconuts and tree stem. I'll also use Putty for my hammock. And again, your outline does not have to be a super sharp, clean line. It can just be kind of like a hit and miss here and there. That's just another paint style that is not a mess up. So don't overthink it. And then I'm going to outline my little hat there in Peacock. It's just the darker blue color. And I love the way it kind of made that hat pop. And then I'll highlight my sand with a little bit of the pine cone color. It took me a minute to remember that, but that's the same color I used for the trunks of the palm trees and also the coconuts. And then I will go in with just a little bit of white after this and highlight here and there, just because, you know, I love to highlight with white. I don't like to skip that step. For me, it just kind of finishes the piece. And I will tell you that when I started painting, highlights were the hardest thing to do, but the more you do it, I promise, the easier it will get, and it'll just kind of come naturally. My favorite brush for highlighting is a number 4 round, but you can start there, and if you don't love it, everybody holds their paintbrush a little different, and you'll find a brush that is your favorite. So that's it. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and have a wonderful day.